Hey, what's up, everybody? Welcome back to Tech Help, guys. So today I'm going to show you how to use vidIQ for you to get a perfect 100 SEO score. So first up, what is SEO score? SEO score is something related to your search, your videos being searchable or your website being searchable in your website. So the key there is to, of course, maximize the keywords you use in your video to describe the video, the title of the video, and everything. Well, vidIQ is here to help you with just that. It's actually for free. Some features may require a little bit of boosting, like this one right here, but for most part, it's free and it's easy to use. So I'm going to show you how to use it so you can improve your videos and the viewability of your videos. So let's begin the video. So here in your main interface, you'll actually face this one today. You can connect your channel here so it can get the entire feature of your channel and what you need to do with it and whatnot. There are actually levels here: foundation, the algorithm, attract viewers, amass viewers, captivate viewers, re-engage viewers. So this is very helpful if you want a clear growth plan progress. So definitely making videos takes time. It's not a one-time thing where you can like have it all in one go and then you're suddenly popular. No, you need to have a growth plan progress for it. Now, apart from progress, there's also a lesson here for you to watch, like this one, the key for YouTube success. So you can click on that and then you can watch this lesson for you to learn. Now, you can also generate a video idea here. So I'll show you how this is done. So let's say our video is anime based, right? So let's say top 10 anime series for 2025. Then here, just click on the arrow line here, arrow button. And then here, it already suggests what keywords we can use for the videos. For example, anime recap, we can use Sakamoto Days, which is a trending anime right now, and Solo Leveling, by the way, which is another trending anime, OPMC anime, and upcoming anime. So these are the top searches already on YouTube if we write this one. So quickly, let's go to YouTube and let's type in anime. So here, let's say top 10 anime. And as you can see here, these are the top 10 anime. We see here MC appeared already. MC again appeared. Here we have underrated. We have here top 10, top 7. And yeah, pretty much everything here related to MC, OPMC anime appeared on the searches. Now, it already gave you a title idea as well. What's the hottest anime of 2025? Now you can also refine this if you want. You can make it longer, you can add some excitement to it, you can change the tone. Here, witty, professional, casual, depending on you, depending on the video. And you already have a description right here. So basically all you have to do is to just copy paste this. And you also have the tags here. If you're not good with hashtags like I am, you can utilize this right here. And then you can also select a thumbnail here, but for the thumbnails, best to make it yourself. And then here you have a hook here. So the hook is more like the thing that would captivate the audience, basically in the description. You also have an outline here. So for an introduction, you have a way to present the video, development, climax, you have conclusion, and call to action. Now, apart from this, of course, important for SEOs are keywords, which here on the left side of the screen, you can see tools here, different tools to help you make your videos. So you can definitely select this one, keywords right here. And then you can select the top keyword opportunities. So let's search for keywords, let's say anime. And then from there, you can already see the overall score of the search volume for anime. As you can see here, it's very high. It's a 7,400,000 search volume, and the competition is around 98.17. So the competition is very high as well. And as we can see here, there are related keywords here that you can use: recap anime, anime summary, anime caps, Here we have matching keywords and questions here as well. How not to summon, that this is an anime title, how to create anime recap videos. And here, it also shows the top trending videos for anime, for recap anime. So as you can see here, this is solo leveling again. Uh, and yeah, so you can scroll through this, get some ideas here, maybe, and keep on matching the terms here until you get a high score. So let's say solo leveling. As you can see, we got a higher score now of 67 with a search volume of 11 million, close to 12 million. So from this one alone, from the overview right here, this is now where you can base off your videos. You can see here what video is trending, and you can use that now to engage, to heighten up your videos more. So you have a better idea of what content to do for your videos. Here, you can also connect your YouTube channel here to get some ideas. You can also create here, source of daily inspiration. You can create, start from an idea, enter a topic or title. And then you can also have some coaching here. You have here AIs to help you coach. So, for example, how to increase SEO for anime videos. So you can definitely ask them like that and see here. Number one, it suggests keyword research, compelling titles, definitely the use of tags and descriptions, better thumbnails, engagement, and consistency. And that's it. So basically, you also have your competitors, so you can attach your channel here to see your competition and how it's going. So if you want to increase your SEO, have that 100 perfect score of SEO, definitely use better keywords. Definitely create a plan for your videos. Create a better thumbnail, but thumbnails don't usually have much effect on SEOs. Usually on keywords, tags, and descriptions. And you can definitely use vidIQ for this. If you want, you can unlock the boost to see more trending keywords. And that's it. Hopefully, we were able to help you out on this. If we did, please do not forget to hit the like and the subscribe button and follow us for more videos just like this, only here on Tech Help Guy.